Tired of dry, frizzy hair and those annoying split ends? Let's fix that, right at home. Hi loves, welcome back to ThanhAn Hair. I'm Alice, and today we're diving into real, simple ways to deal with dry hair and split ends without needing a salon appointment. Whether you're skipping the salon or just want healthier hair, these tips are easy, effective, and totally doable from home. Let's talk split ends. Split ends happen when the ends of your hair get damaged and literally split apart. It's usually because of dryness, breakage, or too much heat styling. So, our main goal? Prevent the damage before it starts. Tip number 1, be gentle when brushing. Don't rip through your tangles. Start brushing from the bottom, then work your way up. Always use a detangling brush or wide-tooth comb. Bonus tip, if you hear your hair snapping, stop. You're being too rough. Tip number 2, cut down on heat. Blow dryers, flat irons, curling wands, they all dry your hair out. If you must use them, always apply a heat protectant first. But honestly, let your hair air dry when you can. Your strands will thank you. Tip number 3, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Dry hair breaks. So, use a deep conditioner or hair mask 1 to 2 times a week. Apply a few drops of hair oil, like argan or coconut, to your ends while damp. And yes, drink water. Healthy hair starts from the inside. Tip number 4, rethink that towel. Rough drying with a towel equals major breakage. Instead, gently squeeze out water with a microfiber towel or even a soft t-shirt. No rubbing. Tip number 5, protect your hair while you sleep. Sleeping with wet hair is a no-go. Plus, switch to a silk pillowcase or wrap your hair in a silk scarf. It helps prevent friction and split ends overnight. Coloring your hair? Can't make it to the salon? Instead of reaching for the bleach, please don't. Embrace darker roots. Want some dimension without damage? Clip-in extensions from ThanhAn Hair in balayage or highlights are the perfect no-commitment fix. Bonus tips for daily hair care. Use a scalp scrub once a week to remove buildup and flakes. Protect your scalp from sun damage with SPF hair products or a cute hat. Rinse your hair with cold or lukewarm water. Hot water dries it out. Don't overbrush, especially when it's wet. Go for effortless styles like messy buns or beach waves that don't need heat or brushing. Hair detox. Use this time to reset your hair. Try a 30-day heat-free challenge. Detox with an apple cider vinegar rinse or a charcoal scalp treatment. After a treatment, skip styling products for a few days. Let your hair breathe. Wrap up. Quick recap. Be gentle. Avoid heat when you can. Keep your hair hydrated. Embrace low-maintenance looks. Give your hair the break it deserves. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments, what's your number 1 hair struggle right now? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to ThanhAn Hair for more easy hair care tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Love.